Student, welcome to our YouTube channel. Today we shall study about reported speech part second on an interrogative sentence. Student, it is very also and very important for any competition exam. You know that. So today we learn how we can change the direct to indirect only interrogative sentences. So let us start our topic. In interrogative sentence there are the 3 and 4 types of the interrogative sentence. For example, he said to me, comma inverted comma, where are you going? It is a sentence, student. Now sentence number 2 here. She said to me, comma inverted comma, did you play cricket? It is also interrogative sentence. Another example, Ram said to me, comma inverted comma, can you write a story? There are the 3 types of the example. Maximum asked in any competition exam, in 10th and 12th board exams also, and mostly students they have some confusions how we can change the sentence direct to indirect. So first of all, I tell some important rule. You listen very carefully. First of all, the sentence in reporting verb, it is the part of reporting verb. You know that reporting verb. In reporting verb we can change say to change into ask, and said, if said to, change into asked. And some other books you can find also inquired. Both are correct. Next important thing is this conjunction word. Conjunction word in simple sentence, students, we can use that, but interrogative sentence, if our sentence start any WH word, so our conjunction word is the same WH word. If our sentence start any helping verb, या फिर any modals, then we can use, there are the 2 conjunction word. If you can use if, otherwise you can use whether. Select in one, both are correct. It is the second rule. And the third rule is related to the tenses, related to the pronoun, and related to the time and distance. Students, in this type of the rules we also explain in simple sentence reported speech part first. Look the video, it's very easy how we can change the sentences according to the tense. Present simple, present continuous, present perfect, and present perfect continuous. These are the 4 tense. Change into past simple, past continuous, past perfect, and past perfect continuous. And there are the one only short trick we can say, in other words, how we can change the pronoun. So first person pronoun according to change subject, second person according to object, and third person no change. They are the same rule in simple sentence also reported speech in first part and second part. Today we shall study about the part second, interrogative sentence, how we can change direct to indirect. And the same things here, the time and distance, these, that, these, those, ago, before, today, that day, tonight, that night, and this type of the very simple table find in any other books. So question is this: if you have the knowledge of the rules, now you can change any sentence direct to indirect. So first of all, you learn the rules, it's very easy. Then we can focus on the first sentence. Here you can find he said to me. It is a sentence, it is a part of reporting verb out of comma inverted comma, and it is the part second including inverted comma reported speech. Then how we can change? First of all, we write here he, and said to we can change asked, otherwise we can change inquired also. Now after asked we can use here me, and comma inverted comma left in this place according to the rule, and WH word. If you can find any sentence, any reported speech start any WH word, the same WH word, here is the W in small letter, we can write here where. Now question is this: where are you going? Which tense in this sentence? Students, you know very well, where are you going? It's related to the present continuous tense, and present continuous tense we can change into past continuous tense. And one most important thing is rule is this: if we can make any sentence direct to indirect, the sentence is interrogative. When we change in indirect speech, the sentence is only simple sentences. Interrogative sentence change into simple sentence. Where we can find any sentence start WH word, helping verb, and any modals. Now we can use where, and first we are required of the subject of the sentence, because we can make the simple sentence. Here is second person pronoun is first form according to change into me, and here we can left the first form, here we can use the me first form, here we can find I. Where are you going? It is related to the present continuous. Now we can change past continuous to I, where I was going, and at last full stop. At last full stop. It's very important. When we change any sentence interrogative direct to indirect, we can change the sentence in simple sentences also. So now students, you can understand very well. Use the second person pronoun first form, change according to the me, and reporting verb. Here we can left the first form of I, first form, so we can use the me first form I here, and I is a singular number. According to the rule, we can use I plus was in past continuous tense. I think you understand very well. Now the next sentence, you can find any helping verb. How we can change? So here we can change see, inquired, otherwise you can use asked, both are correct. And left in this place me here, comma inverted comma, and left in this place we can use the helping verb, we can use the conjunction word, where here we can find the two conjunction word. If we can use if we can use whether is also right. So here is did you play cricket? So students, you know that which tense in the sentence. If sentence start did, so we automatically understand it is related to the past simple, and past simple change into past perfect. Students, last video I also focus the rule here: past simple change into past perfect, and past continuous change into past perfect continuous. So we can change in past perfect. You is the second person pronoun first form, change it according to the me. Here we can find I, and past perfect we can use had, and after had we can use third form of the verb, because it is the rule I had played, or next we can find cricket, and last we can use full stop. How we can write here full stop? Because it is a sentences interrogative. Once more you listen that if we can find any sentence in interrogative, then we can direct to indirect the sentences related to simple sentences. Now sentence number 3. If you can find any sentence start any modals, so how we can change in indirect speech? So first of all write here Ram, and set to change into asked, and after asked we can write here me, comma inverted comma left in this place. Here we can use if and whether, both are correct. There were no any other mistakes here. We can use as a conjunction word whether. If we can use if also, both are correct. And you change into me according. यहाँ पे in this place we can use I. Can you write a story? It is a sentence. You know students, there are the modals we can change when the sentence direct to indirect. We can change the modals. It means shall, should, will, would, can, could, may, might, and must. Is same here. Must and ought to, used to, and other modals, they are fixed. So we can use here I plus can be changed into could, and after modal we can use the first form of the verb. It is a rule, you know, after modals, after to, after please, kindly, after hardly, and these type of the words, and also let. So we can use after these type of the words only first form of the verb. Here the could modal, so we can here only write. There were no change of the verb. And after write we can say we can write here a story, and at last full stop. So students, you understand there are the 3 and 4 major rules in this topic. You know, today we shall interrogative sentence we can study here. So how it changes? Rule number first is this: in reporting verb we can find say to, we can change to ask, and said and said to we can change to asked and inquired. Selected one. We can use conjunction word if and whether, where the sentence start, any helping verb, if, any modals. So we can use if and whether. If the sentence start any WH word, so we can use the same WH word in as a conjunction. In this example, you can find the where, and the three major rules according to the tense, pronoun, time and distance are related to the according to the rule in reported speech part first. You please watch my last video. It is very easy. So today you understand this, how we can change the sentence interrogative direct to indirect. And one more important thing here, if we can last and find there were no interrogative sign mark, sentence change into the simple sentence. Students, I hope you understand very well the topic. If any confusion, any doubt, you write in comment. So thanks for watching. Thank you.